Want to make your text stand out in Microsoft Word? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use text effects to add style and personality. Open Microsoft Word and go to the Home tab. Look for the letter A icon labeled Text Effects and Typography. Click on the A icon to see different text styles and effects. Hover over the sample text you want to customize, then select the A icon to apply effects. Choose a text style from the available options. To make the text larger, adjust the font size as needed. To add an outline, return to the A icon and select the outline option to see changes in real time. You can also add shadow effects, reflections, and glow effects as desired. Adjust glow colors and other options to further customize the text. If you have a custom theme, you can save that stylistic set for future use. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.